tech giant Google is reportedly reinstating the popular partner sharing feature in its Google Photos app, allowing users to share media files uploaded from third-party apps. The feature, which originally launched in 2017, enabled users to seamlessly share their photo libraries with friends and family. However, it was abruptly discontinued in November 2024, along with the controversial limitation restricting sharing to camera roll content only. According to a report, the latest version of the Google Photos app for Android 7.12 includes a new toggle labeled Include Content from Other Android Apps. This option allows users to share images and videos uploaded by third-party apps directly through Google Photos partner sharing feature. By default, this new setting is disabled, meaning users must manually enable it from the partner sharing settings page in the app. Once activated, it grants visibility to media files imported from external sources, streamlining the process of accessing and sharing such content. Currently, the updated partner sharing feature is available exclusively to users enrolled in the Google Photos beta program. A wider, stable release is expected in the coming months, allowing a broader audience to benefit from the enhanced functionality. Reportedly, the return of partner sharing is said to be a welcome update for users disappointed by its removal last year. The move is expected to restore Google Photos' reputation as a convenient platform for managing and sharing digital memories, especially for those relying heavily on media imported from third-party applications. This development marks Google's acknowledgement of user feedback. As anticipation builds for the feature's full rollout, it's poised to enhance the app's versatility and appeal. Meanwhile, Google has also begun rolling out a software update for its Pixel 4a smartphones, aiming to improve battery performance stability. The update, which is being delivered to all devices running Android 13 starting 8 January, introduces new battery management features. However, for certain units, it may lead to reduced battery capacity and slower charging speeds. According to Google's support page for the Pixel 4a battery performance program, this update is designed to stabilize the battery's performance over time. Impacted devices, as Google describes them, may see shorter battery life between charges, changes to the battery level indicator, and a decline in charging performance after installing the update.